Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to fix Instagram Reels not showing issue, so let's jump right in. First and foremost, you should check that the app is fully updated. Therefore, go to the Play Store and enter Instagram in the top search bar. So, to the right of Instagram, it will either say Open or Update. If it says Open, your app is totally up to date. If it says Update, your app needs to be updated. You need to update the app to remove any issues, lags, or bugs that may have been present in the previous update, so please update your app. If updating your app does not work, we can go ahead and clear the app data. So let's go into Settings, and from Settings scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on Apps. Then I'm going to type in Instagram on the search bar and select that. After that, go to Storage, and now as you can see, there is the option to clear app data, so go ahead and tap on it. If updating or clearing app data doesn't work, you'll need to contact Instagram about the issue. To do so, open the app and navigate to the bottom right-hand corner, where you'll see your profile photo. When you're on your profile, go to the upper right-hand corner and click on those three lines, then Settings, and finally Help. Click Report a Problem right here, and then you want to choose the second option, Report a Problem Without Shaking. And then I'm simply going to type my issue right here. I'm just going to click Next in the top right-hand corner, and then I'm just going to press Send Report. If updating, clearing app data, or reporting the problem does not resolve the issue, I recommend uninstalling and reinstalling the app. If this doesn't work, the only other suggestion I have is to wait and see what happens, because Reels have yet to be launched in some countries, and may not even be in your country. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if this video helped you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching.